Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we dissect products like a frog in a 7th grade science class so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we have an electrifying 3D printer showdown between the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus and the Creality Ender-3 V3. It's a battle of the titans, folks. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is priced at a whopping $599. Ouch! That's like buying a small island in the middle of nowhere. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is a more wallet-friendly $299. That's less than a fancy dinner for two in New York. So if you're looking to save some dough, Creality is your new best friend. Now, let's talk about speed. The Neptune 4 Plus boasts a lightning-fast 500 millimeters per second. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. Meanwhile, the Ender-3 V3 isn't far behind with the same top speed of 500 millimeters per second, but with a slightly lower acceleration of 8,000 millimeters per square second. It's like comparing a Ferrari to a Lamborghini. Both are fast, but one might just edge out in a drag race. Next up, build volume, because size does matter. The Neptune 4 Plus offers a generous 12.59 inches x 12.59 inches x 15.15 build volume. That's like having the Grand Canyon in your living room. The Ender-3 V3, however, doesn't specify its exact volume here, but we know it's smaller. So if you want to print a life-size statue of yourself, Neptune's got your back. Precision is key, especially when you don't want your 3D model looking like it had a rough night out. The Neptune 4 Plus supports input shaping and pressure advancing with acceleration sensors on the X and Y axes for automatic calibration. It's like having a personal trainer for your printer. The Ender-3 V3 also focuses on precision with smart algorithms to mitigate vibrations and boasts a 0.1 millimeters printing accuracy. Both are pretty darn precise, but Neptune's got that extra edge with its fancy sensors. Now, let's talk about the business end of things, the extruder and nozzle. Neptune comes with a dual-gear direct drive extruder and a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle. It's like having a supercharged engine under the hood. Creality's Ender-3 V3 isn't slacking either with its Sprite direct extruder and similar 300 degrees Celsius capability. However, Neptune's unique air duct design might just give it the upper hand in reducing nozzle clogging risk. Cooling and connectivity, because nobody likes a hot mess. Neptune features powerful double-sided cooling fans and model cooling blower fans. It's practically an Arctic breeze for your prints. Creality's Ender-3 V3 also has dual fans for fast cooling, but Neptune's cooling system seems a bit more robust. When it comes to connectivity, both printers offer Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN options. So it's a tie on that front. Lastly, let's talk about user-friendliness. Neptune's got a one-key file transfer, which is like having a magic wand, while Creality's Ender-3 V3 has a touch UI screen and real-time model preview. It's like having a personal assistant. Both are quite user-friendly, but Creality's extra features might just make your life a tad easier. Online reviews paint a detailed picture of both these 3D printers. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is praised for its detailed prints, speed, and ease of setup, though some users mention the fan noise as a downside. It's recommended for both entry-level and advanced users who don't mind some setup and maintenance. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is applauded for its quick prototyping, strong and accurate prints, and user-friendly features. However, some users have reported issues with the extruder and customer support. Overall, both printers have their strengths, but your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. So there you have it, folks. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus and the Creality Ender-3 V3, both are stellar 3D printers with their own strengths and quirks. If you're a speed demon with a need for a bigger build volume and don't mind shelling out the extra cash, go for the Neptune. But if you want a reliable, budget-friendly option with a few extra user-friendly features, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is your guy. Remember, it's not just about buying smart, it's about buying what's right for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!